Oh my goodness. This is in freaking Tempe, Arizona right now, dude. Tempe, Arizona's looking like this. What? I'm on the freeway right now. I am on the freaking 101 going 20 miles an hour and it's not even packed. Oh my god. Look at this! We're gonna die! Oh my god! I cannot see shit. What the hell? I think this girl's in my lane right now. I don't know. Yep, emergency lights going on because I can't see shit. Oh my god. How do I move? I gotta go to work. Oh my god. I gotta go to work. And everyone is in my way right now. Everyone is in my way. Oh my goodness. Alright. Starting to pick up the pace right now. Let's do this. Woo! Tempe! Shout out going out of Tempe right now. Can't see shit. Oh my goodness. I am aeroplaning right now. Hydroplaning. I am hydroplaning right now, all the way to work. On the 101 South. Oh. This is awesome. This is awesome, man. Yeah. All right, emergency lights off. Cruising. Oh, you know what? I am on the HOV lane right now. And there's nobody with me! I'm sorry, I can't see, officer! I didn't know what lane I was in!